Hello everyone, happy holidays and Merry Christmas to those who celebrate it. I'm sitting here in St. Petersburg, Florida in this wonderful museum of Salvador Dali. See? Dali Museum. They had a wonderful exhibition of arts. Dali as an artist was very interested in progress. As a matter of fact, he was very much interested in computer sciences. His favorite magazine was the Scientific American, and he based his latest paintings on studies of pixels and images that he borrowed from the computer science articles at the time. Why it's important? Well, it's important because he was driven by innovation and motivation, and this is what we are trying to do at the Learnix Center. We are trying to contribute to people's lives. We are trying to change people's lives for better, and we are very grateful to our students that they are letting us to help them and letting us to improve their lives, and we are grateful to see when their careers are changes to better, when every time someone is making a career jump, improving their income, making their lives better, it's a very gratifying feeling. And right now we have a holiday season. It's the season of giving and rewarding other people. Our students are the biggest reward to us. We value every student that we have, and we believe that we add value to the community. It's a community project, and we really appreciate that people are coming to us and changing their careers, because your career change starts with you, first of all. And we are here only to help and motivate and drive you and provide you with knowledge and tools. And now we're looking very optimistic and forward to the upcoming new year, because as you know, the Learnix Center got approved by the state of Virginia. We are state certified, and we are approved by the Virginia Career Works, which means that our students are capable to obtain student grants. Basically, it's a free money that you don't need to return if you are qualified. And please don't come to us about that. And I think it's a season of giving, and we will continue giving our services to our students, and hopefully we'll reach many more people in the upcoming years, and hopefully we can change lives for better. So that's what we're striving for. And again, happy holidays. I can see wonderful stars behind me. People already preparing for the Christmas Eve, and it's time for us to leave this museum. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming new year. Thank you.